Hey everybody. So I was cleaning up space on my computer and I came across a video that I actually forgot to release. For whatever reason, it just sort of fell by the wayside and I forgot about it. I was passionate about something else, other videos, other topics to get out there, and it just sort of fell by the wayside. And that is the second part to playing pool with your child. So I've decided I'm just gonna get it out there. For whatever reason, I think maybe there was just something that I wanted more from the video, and I just had to take time to think about it. But at this point, my daughter, she'll come back to the sport. She's in grade 7 now, and she got into gymnastics, and from there she's actually joined the cheer team. She made the cheer team in grade 7, so that is what she's passionate about right now. So she still plays pool with me from time to time, but right now it's all about cheer. So what can we learn about this video that I'm about to show you? Key lessons as a parent is, of course, we don't want to scare our children away, but most importantly, with these 3 games that I'm going to talk about in this video, are probing questions. Probe your child and let them answer the question that you ask them, right? Ask them, well, why did our cue balls go into the pocket with the object ball? Why did we scratch? Or, we shot the cue ball. Why did the cue ball come off the rail that way, right? What are we doing to the cue ball that's making it spin off the rail that way, right? Just probe those questions. These are fun games that I present in this video. I call them games, but they're drills. Perfect opportunity for you to play the game that we love with your child. So without further ado, the video that was never released. Hey everybody, we are back with another video, and you guessed it, Jilly is going to be doing some drills. 3 drills, in fact. And you can do these drills in succession. These drills are meant to be fun and to only boost the confidence of your child. And you can do them with your child as a team, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna do this?
Yeah.
All right, let's roll it. Okay everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be talking about 3 drills today. Our first drill is the drill we've already shown you in that last video, and that is taking the cue ball, hitting it to that center diamond on the end rail, and then it comes back and it hits your cue. So leave your cue out there. Feather it 3 times, nice and easy. Chalk your cue, hit the center of the cue ball. Okay. Here we go. That's not bad. Not bad. You didn't chalk your cue. Da da da. Just a quick chalk. There you go. That's enough. Feather 3 times. Nice and easy. You hit what side of the cue ball there?
Right.
Hit the center of the cue ball. That's not bad.
I should have hit it.
That's not bad. I like that. That's pretty close. One more time. Nice weight. A little bit light. A little bit harder and it was going to come back. Chalk your cue. That's good. Stroke your cue 3 times. Nice and easy.
Come back.
Ooh. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so the purpose of that drill, and you heard me talking to her, you can reinforce what, Jelly? Pre-shot routine, chalking your cue.
Feathers 3 times.
Nice, easy stroke, feathering it 3 times. Hit the center of the cue ball. If they don't hit the center of the cue ball, you can ask them to explain what happened. Oh, you hit the right side of the cue ball. You hit the left side of the cue ball. This is just simply to Zone in. That's the next drill. 2 drills. Okay, so we're going on to the second drill, and this one can be a lot of fun.
It's my favorite.
Jilly's favorite. Every kid's favorite, and it is hit the coins off the table. So Jilly, take your position. Here we go. Take any coins, probably a little bit bigger is better. Put them on the diamonds. Now hold on, Jilly. You don't have to start your child the long rail. You can start your child just doing to the side rails, okay? That's where Jilly started. She started on the side rails. And then obviously it became too easy for her. She thinks she's a hot shot now. So now she shoots the long way, okay? So go ahead. Oh, I pick. This one.
Right?
Nice. Very nice. First, 1 for 1. That one. That doesn't count. It only counts if you hear a ting. Oh, you missed it. You're coming close. Try the center one again. Nope. Chalk your cue. Feather 3 times. Da da da. Nope. One more to go. What's with the center one? You can't hit the center
I
one.
used to be able to do that all the time.
Okay, stop. Hold on. No, I'll take the cue. I'll take this chalk. Go ahead and set up. Go ahead. Set up. No, set up. Set up for your shot. But then freeze. Tell me when you're ready. You ready? Okay, let's see if the camera sees you. Oh, barely. I'm putting the chalk on your head. Don't move your head. Now stroke it. Ooh. One more time. This is it. Freeze. Chalk on your head. Oh, you got it. Okay. So, again, what does this drill teach? What do you learn with this drill?
Like,
Come closer so they can hear you from my microphone.
like, I don't know.
Again, it reinforces the idea that we're going to have a steady stroke. We're going to feather it. You're going to chalk the cue. Okay, and it's a fun game. Okay, it's a game where the kid and you can have fun building skills and building form together. Okay, third one. We knocked a ball down here. We'll go grab a ball. Third drill, I call around the world. Okay, just like the math game. Okay, so here's the rules to this game. They're all ducks. Okay, 6 balls, they're all ducks. Jilly can start on any ball at the start when you start doing this drill. And she can hit any ball down that she wants. The only thing is, she cannot scratch and she cannot miss. Otherwise, the drill starts over. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. No.
Dang it, but
Nope.
I still got it in.
We're not doing flukes in this game. I'm sorry.
Aw.
Start over. You're gonna go for the granny, eh? I don't think so. You've got plenty of options. You don't need to use the granny. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Good shot. Did you purposely aim to the side there? No? Okay. Went off the rail first. Good. Well, should we be using that kind of bridge? Now you can bring it down and then take your elbow right over the cue. Okay?
I got it.
One more to go for the run. Almost scratched. Okay, so Jilly got out. She was a little bit all over the place, but she got out. So high five. Can you start putting up the balls again for everybody? Can you put the ducks up? So once your child gets to the point where they start getting really confident in this drill, you can change it up and throw a little bit of a monkey wrench into their plans. So Jilly, now throw one more ball up. Now you can pick any ball just like before. You start, but once you pick that ball, no more. Oh yeah, right. Once you pick that ball, let's say you pick this ball, now you have to go this way or that way. Understand? Let's do this.
Start wherever I want.
Anywhere you want.
What happens if I like start
You
there?
can start anywhere you want, but then after the first ball, this way or that way, in order. What direction you going? Okay, so now you're going this way.
Oh my God.
3 strokes. Maybe move your, see back here? Move this back. There you go. And that gives you a longer stroke.
Okay.
Okay? Ooh. Lucky, 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 but okay. Why did you miscue there a bit?
Because I couldn't reach
And
my elbow.
did you chalk it? I think you just chalked it now, but you didn't chalk it before. Okay. I don't know about this bridge. Ooh, stop. Stand up again. Stand up where you were. This is where you were. This is where you were. Hold the cue. And your elbow was way out to the side, like so. Our elbow is always over the cue, okay? And it would help to move your bridge back. Okay? Okay, go ahead and start practicing again.
I'll have this one.
So, what did we learn from this drill? You can be there with your child as they do the drill, and you can comment on the little things that you can see that they could improve on and that they could fix. For example, her elbow. You know, I take the time. If they forget again to chalk, okay? Right? Give them nice little pointers as they go. Give them ideas. Cool beans? Cool beans?
Okay.
Okay, cool beans.
I don't think anyone said that, Daddy.
Okay, guys, so those are the 3 drills. All right. The first one is to warm the child up, to zone them in. And by the way, that's not just a children's drill. That's a real drill for every single player. It doesn't matter how good you are. Okay. Stick it in the center of the table, hit that center diamond, and make it touch your cue. Zone in. Second drill with the coins, that's kind of a drill for kids, but kids love it, okay? And this third drill, around the world ducks, whatever you want to call it. So you've got one chance to impress the world,
Okay.
okay? Go for it.
I wish you didn't get me on off camera last time.
Let's make this count.
I tried it. You jinxed me. You jinxed me.
In the meantime, and in between time, I'll catch you on the flip side.
You jinxed me.